Solana's native token, SOL, is currently trading between $85 and $95 as of May 2026. That's a significant drop from its peak of $293 in January 2025, representing a roughly 70% decline. Analysts are now offering a wide range of forecasts for the next few years. At the low end, CoinCodex is projecting a bearish model of $84 for 2026, while Price Prediction is forecasting a much higher bull scenario of $415 for the same year. Looking further ahead, Digital Coin Price estimates a conservative $139 for 2030, and Van Eck is projecting a bullish case as high as $3,211. These wide ranges reflect the uncertainty in the market and the influence of multiple factors. Solana's infrastructure has been a major point of focus. The Firedancer validator client has pushed throughput to over 600,000 transactions per second, and the Alpenglow upgrade has cut finality time to just 150 milliseconds. These developments suggest a robust and scalable network. Yet despite these improvements, the token price has not risen in line with expectations. The SEC's March 22, 2026 decision to classify SOL as a digital commodity is another key event. This regulatory shift could open the door to more institutional. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Interest and broader adoption, but so far, the price hasn't responded strongly to this news. Analysts are watching for signs that this classification might lead to increased trading volume or ETF inflows. The Solana ecosystem itself is also evolving. The network hosts some of the most active DeFi platforms and has a circulating supply of around 504 million tokens. Its hybrid proof-of-history and proof-of-stake consensus model allows for high throughput and low fees, which has attracted developers and users alike. However, the token price remains under pressure, despite these strengths. Among the potential catalysts for a price increase are the continued adoption of Firedancer, the rollout of the Alpenglow upgrade, and the launch of Western Union's USDPT stablecoin on Solana. If these projects gain traction, they could drive more on-chain activity and investor confidence. Additionally, the introduction of a spot SOL ETF could bring a new wave of institutional capital into the market. Still, the market remains cautious. The bearish models suggest that Solana could struggle to break out of its current range without a major catalyst. The bull cases, on the other hand, assume significant adoption and regulatory clarity. The difference in these projections highlights the importance of monitoring both on-chain developments and macroeconomic trends. For investors, the key is to watch for signs that the token price is beginning to reflect the network's fundamentals. A sustained increase in transaction volume, a rise in DeFi activity, or a shift in institutional sentiment could all serve as leading indicators. At this stage, the market is waiting for a clear signal that Solana's infrastructure improvements are translating into token value. The uncertainty remains: will the market recognize Solana's potential, or will the bearish forecasts prove more accurate? The next few months could. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Be critical in determining which path the network takes. Investors are advised to keep a close eye on upcoming upgrades, ETF approvals, and broader market conditions. In the meantime, Solana continues to operate as one of the most scalable Layer 1 blockchains in the industry. Its ability to process thousands of transactions per second at low cost gives it a competitive edge in the DeFi and NFT spaces. If these advantages can be leveraged to drive real-world adoption, the token could see a meaningful price increase. But for now, the market is still waiting for that signal.